Aviagh Gardens. This is in the heart of Dublin. Oops, sorry, my bad again. And it's a nice little park just close to Stephen's Green, south side again. I don't know if that's a replication of Central Park. Actually, all those stones, or if that's just a natural formality of it. So it's a beautiful little park. Further in you go, the quieter it gets. It's not that big and it's city centre enough. Now I have been here once or twice. They usually do food tour events. There's a few entrances, one's from the back of Hardcore Street. I do recall when they were here, these fountains were gone, so it could be just because it's the weekend and because it's raining. Let's take a look, shall we? I wonder if he... And we have a duplicate one over here facing each other, so I'm sure it's symbolic to that. And then there's a small little waterfall here as well, I heard. No, I didn't hear, I seen. Oh, let me not die. Excellent. See, replication of the thing. And then down here we have a lot of seating benches. Very wide. So it is wheelchair friendly, although it might be just in line with the stones, but when I came in there was a ramp. This here is usually a waterfall feature, but it could be because it's the weekend and it's winter. I'll start putting up information about it when it's created and all that, because I'm visiting a lot of parks today and I didn't want to cross the information over. So yeah. This would have been a running waterfall coming down. You can kind of see it from the top there all the way down. It was actually quite beautiful when I seen it. I think a few photographers come in to take pictures of it. Now hopefully the other entrance is open. This isn't it, but it looks pretty cool. Real old stone fashion work. Real cool funky gate there. Today we were shooting this on December 11th. So it's not actually cold, it's mild. But a lot of people will be in town shopping, so the parks and all will be empty. So we'll be coming out of this one here now, but keep an eye out for events. Usually have like food trucks come in, or music festivals, small music festivals, and sometimes free entry as well. And yeah, so that'll be our entrance from Hardcore Street back that way. How's it going? So if there's no construction going on, and if it was summertime, this place would be hopping. After work, summertime, all the office workers close by, just grabbing a few pints, a few cans, sitting in the park chilling. Looks like down there is like a bowl for people to walk into to kind of just sit and chill. So that's the Iveagh Gardens. Pretty cool. Right, on to the next garden or park or